Coming out over coffee. Family Service Thames Valley.
Imagine that you know that you are different, at a very early age, right? And then you're not being able to understand about what's going on in regards to your sexuality, your sexual orientation, and who you are.
The need that we were trying to meet with Coming Out Over Coffee was to deliver a support program to LGBTQ folks 19 years of age and over that could access a service in a social service agency.
It's really important that people have services in their community because that's where people have that sense of belonging. Lots of folks within the community suffer from certain oppressions or discrimination or marginalization, and it's really important that people know that there are people out there that can support them.
Many of us, in the rainbow community, we experience a lot of shame, and shame impacts our mental health, our well-being, the sense of isolation. Not being able to be just who we are, just experience our beingness. It's huge.
People come as they are and they show up as they are, and we talk about potentially some struggles that they may be having. Folks who may be having trouble coming out to maybe their family or their friends, but we also talk about the joys and the celebrations of life as well. So, when somebody gets to change their gender marker on their ID, or when folks get engaged, we're there to celebrate with them. It's really about community and building a community.
Regardless of where they are on their journey of coming out and regardless of what needs they have, it's a place, it's a safe space for them to explore who they are at this moment and what they need and how to move forward.
We had a couple who came and they were driving an hour to come to group because they didn't have anything in their community. So what they did is that they developed their own Coming Out Over Coffee. We hear from people that, this was one of the first times that they felt that they could talk about who they are.
And as human beings, we need connections. We can't live in isolation, And I think that's what our organization and our group is all about. Promoting health, promoting well-being, and promoting human rights, as well as be proud of who you are, be brave and show up.